Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And today we will be doing a quick unboxing and review of the OnePlus Buds Z, and we will compare it with the regular OnePlus Buds. If you'd like to win this pair of OnePlus Buds Z, the details to enter the giveaway will be in the description below. So if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we post a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Let's first open the outside box. I ordered this pair from the OnePlus website and it came right on time. It's a fairly simple box with the Buds Z on the front and some features listed on the side with some information at the back. There's a pull tab to open the box, so let's just open it and find what we get inside. We see the Budz Z case on the top. Let's just put it aside for a bit and see what else we get. There's a tab to open the box. That's just it. Let's open this up. So first we see some paperwork and warranty information, quick start guide. We also get a short USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Budz Z case is made of a shiny white plastic. It's got the USB-C charging port at the back with a button to see the battery level. It has a battery indicator on the front. When you compare it to the regular OnePlus Buds, the OnePlus Buds feel really more premium in the hand and they feel more solid since the case is made of a matte plastic rather than a shiny one. Comparing the size, the regular OnePlus Buds case is much smaller than the Buds Z, but they both are pocketable. It's the same story if you compare the AirPods Pro case with the Buds Z case. The AirPods Pro feels much more premium in hand, even though they share the same white plastic, but the AirPods Pro are much more pocketable. If you compare the Realme Buds Air with the Buds Z, the build quality is pretty much the same, but the Buds Air are much smaller than the Buds Z. Now let's take these out of the case. These feature a 10mm driver, which is a little smaller than the regular OnePlus Buds, but they have those silicone ear tips for passive noise isolation and a better fit. These also feature IP55 dust and water resistance, which is better than the OnePlus Buds. They also support Dolby Atmos, but only for OnePlus 7 and 8 users. Everybody else gets stereo playback. OnePlus claims a combined battery life of 20 hours. And these should have come with extra silicone tips. Let me just check again in the box, see if I missed them. 2 extra pairs of silicone tips. The medium ones are fitted, so you'll get the small and the large in the pack. Now let's just quickly compare these with the regular OnePlus Buds. The case of the regular OnePlus Buds feels more solid as the hinge is made from metal, but the hinge of the OnePlus Buds Z is made of plastic. Both the buds are really similar in size, but the Buds Z feels a little bit lighter, and thanks to the silicone tip, it's going to provide a much better seal in the ear. If you want to connect it to a OnePlus phone, the process is really simple. You just open the box and you'll get a pop-out message, and you just have to press the connect button and it will do the rest for you. You will need a OnePlus device if you want to update the firmware or change the controls of the Buds Z. Or if you have any other Android smartphone, you can download the Hey Melody app. But if you're on iOS, you're just straight out of luck. Now let's do a sound check with these and compare them with the regular OnePlus Buds. The sound quality on both the pairs is really good, but because of the silicone tips of the Buds Z, there is greater sound isolation, which helps improve sound quality although the drivers are smaller than the regular Buds. These gave me 3.5 hours of playback time on a full charge. And I also tested these while playing COD Mobile, and there was no noticeable audio delay. All in all, these are a really great pair of truly wireless earbuds, and actually I prefer them to the regular OnePlus Buds. If you would like to win this pair of OnePlus Buds Z, the giveaway instructions will be in the description below. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. Also subscribe to the channel, as we will be posting awesome content like this in the future. Click the bell icon so you can be notified when we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media, where we post regular updates on the latest tech developments. Our social media links will be in the description. If you would like to purchase anything shown in the video, links will be down below. I'm Gurpal. You've been watching Tech Time. See you guys in the next one.